Hi friends, I am Raj from Sydney. In this video, I am going to talk about. So instead of this one, you can use the pin. The one comes with the GoPro. Also, you can use it to mount on this holder. So it's not necessary that you need this one. If you think this is not going to be safe, it may fall off sometime. Then what do? You can just leave it in your glove box. In your small plastic bag, just write GoPro for GoPro, so you don't miss it. I hope this video will help you, or you got some understanding about this GoPro mounting bracket on front runner slimline 2 rack. So I'm going to connect this one like that. So I'm going to connect these, all the 4 parts, just screw. So the GoPro is going to be here like that, okay? And this one just put. So these 4 parts, what I do, I'm going to connect it here in this hole, the top hole, and leave it there. So when I want to connect GoPro, I can just unscrew this one and connect the GoPro. So cover this one with the cap, so this will make sure that it doesn't get rust. No need to tight too much because it's just going to hold the GoPro. It's more than enough to hold the GoPro. So I just now put the bolt and nut. So if you have the right tool to tighten, the whole work shouldn't take more than like 2-3 minutes. You could mount either here or here, facing front, or here. It's your choice, where do you like to mount. And these are all the parts, total 8 parts. So these 4 goes on the roof rail, on the roof front runner, and these 4 for the GoPro. So it's like this. It's going to be like this. So we are going to screw this one down on the roof rack, and the GoPro is going to be here on the top one. So there are 2 holes. Okay, let's see. I'm going to slide through this one through here. You know, if through here you just slide through and facing up like that. I'm going to put the bolt on that one.